it up. One of the things that we do to avoid boredom,
Yeah.
because people always ask about this. They're like, I don't eat the same meat all week long.
Mm-hmm.
So, and we don't do that anymore. Here's what we really do. This is exactly how it goes in our house.
Mm-hmm.
We will cook 6 to 8 portions of whatever it is that we're doing. The meats, the starches of whatever sort. We will leave out 3 to 4 of them in the refrigerator, and we'll use those on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, maybe on Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
We take the other 3 to 4 portions, individually portion them, we toss them in the freezer. And then on Wednesday, I go to the freezer and I pull out the stuff that we had batch prepped 2 weeks ago that's completely different.
Exactly.
So this week we did black beans and brown rice and we did chicken, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, 2 weeks ago we did ground turkey and we did chickpeas and we did, we do rice every week. So I'm not going to pretend we have any other solution for that. We do use rice every week just because it's simple. Our family likes it. And it goes in all those different meals.
Right, exactly.
And so
Yep.
by switching the meat in the middle of the week, and then we do that. We can do that forever. If we use the same meat all week long, my family does get a little restless by Thursday or Friday.
Yeah.
They'll survive, but everybody's completely satisfied if we switch that meat up in the middle of the week.